What is dropshipping? How does it work? How much money do I need to start? And is it still profitable? Sup dudes, it's your homie Alan here, and in this video we're gonna talk about what dropshipping is and some of the most frequently asked questions about it. So before we get started, I would like to ask you for a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next videos. Alright, let's break it down. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that allows you to sell products online without ever holding any inventory. Yeah, you heard that right. No boxes cluttering your living room, no warehouses to manage. And here's how it works in a nutshell. You set up an online store, choose products from suppliers, and list them on your website at a markup price. So when a customer buys from your store, you buy from the supplier. Then the supplier handles the packing and shipping directly to your customer. It means that you don't receive the product and ship to your customer. The supplier does it for you. You only pay the wholesale price to the supplier, and the difference between that and the retail price is your profit. How much money do I need to start dropshipping? Well, for this question, there isn't a right answer. It will depend a lot on how much knowledge you have, what kind of products you're selling, how much your product costs. Anyway, it depends on many things, but in summary, if you have good knowledge, you can start your dropshipping business with something around $500 to $700. Remember, this is just a general estimate, and your actual costs may vary based on your choices. How do I find reliable suppliers for my products? Whenever you use AliExpress, Amazon, or any marketplace to find products and suppliers, there are some things that you're gonna need to do. Check reviews of the supplier and the product you're interested in. Review the comment and check how long the supplier has been on the platform. Text the supplier and request real product pictures to assess the quality. Anyway, later I'll be making another video just to talk about this topic. There are also other suppliers that you can find who are not from marketplaces, but as I mentioned before, I'll keep it for our next video, so don't forget to subscribe to not miss it. Lastly, consider working with multiple suppliers for different products. This way, you can diversify your inventory and reduce the risk of relying on what the heck? On just one supplier. Remember, having backup options is always a smart move in business. What platform should I use to create my online store? By far the best platform you should use to build your online store is Shopify. It's the easiest to use, it has integration with a lot of systems and apps, and it was actually created for dropshipping. It's also very good for any e-commerce, but it's great especially for dropshipping. And by the way, my team has developed a software that builds you a completely free, done for you professional Shopify store with products already loaded on it. Ready for you to go and ready for you to start selling today. So click the link on the description and go to check it out. You're gonna need to create a free account and choose colors, choose banners, just follow the steps there and you're gonna see you're gonna have a professional store for free. Do I need to hold inventory in dropshipping? The answer is no. One of the best things about dropshipping is that you don't need to hold any inventory. You're free from the hassle of managing stock and dealing with storage space. With dropshipping, when a customer buys from your online store, the supplier handles the shipping directly to them. So you can focus on growing your business, finding products, and providing a top-notch customer service. What niche or products should I choose for my store? When picking products for your online store, go for something that you know and like. Choose a niche that you're familiar with, understand the audience and their preferences. This way, you can offer the best products and tailored solutions that truly connect with your potential customers. Also, there are different kinds of stores you can have, such a niche store, a one product store, or a general store, but I'll be talking about them in the next video. Can dropshipping be done internationally? Yeah, absolutely. Dropshipping can totally go international. You can team up with suppliers from all over the world and sell to customers in different countries. It's a great way to reach a global audience and expand your business horizons. Just keep it chill, work with reliable suppliers, and provide a good shopping experience for your international customers. And now, the most asked question ever. Is dropshipping still profitable in 2023? And the answer is yes. Absolutely, dropshipping is profitable in 2023. Despite changing trends and market dynamics, the dropshipping models continues to thrive. With the increasing popularity of online shopping and advancements in e-commerce technology, there are a lot of opportunities to succeed. By staying updated on the latest industry strategies and providing good customer service, you can make it profitable. And if you want to know some advantages of dropshipping and why you should start doing it, click on this video and subscribe to this channel. And follow me on Instagram!